Today, we're gonna paint some floors. Can see or appreciate how much work my husband has done while I was at work. Because he pulls the carpet, then pulls the tack strip, and then he has to go through and get all of the nails and stuff that were left and get those pulled out. And then he has to go through and use the concrete patch to fill in any holes that are left behind by the nails, filling in any cracks. Plus, this carpet pad has been here for so long that a lot of it is stuck to the floor real good. So he has to scrape all that off, sand it off in some cases. I mean, he has spent countless hours just prepping the floor, and that's only in the bathroom in this one section. He hasn't even got to the big part yet. So it's crazy. I know you guys don't get to see it. I don't want everybody to think that this is easy peasy because of what they see on the video, but I wanted to make sure you guys saw what was being done that I couldn't get on film because my husband does that stuff while I'm at work. You can see all of this over here. He has already, move Rocky, where he has already pulled the carpet and the tack strips, filled in the holes and the cracks and all that fun stuff, and went back and sanded. And see all of this white stuff through here. And that's where the padding was stuck on real good. And you had to scrape and sand those areas. There's a lot of prep work behind the scenes that you guys haven't been able to see any of because, like I said, he does it while I'm at work.
One more big one down there. I'll get it off the plan. Alright, you want to vacuum that?
Uncoated surfaces. All surfaces must be clean, dry, and free of any dirt, oil, and grease. Patch all holes and cracks. Use a paint stripper to remove any previous coatings or sealers. Clean and etch the surface. Wipe your fingers over the clean, dry floor to check for dust or powder. Do not thin. Stir primer thoroughly before and occasionally during application. Use product when air and surface temperatures are between 50 and 90. Apply using a high quality pump sprayer or 1/4 to 3/8 nap roller, non-polyester brush, or a pad applicator. Longer dry time required in cooler temperatures and higher humidity. You must apply a top coat after at least 4 hours but before 30 days. There you go.
So what?
1/4 to 3 inch and 3/8 inch nap.
Okay. There's okay, these are the only brushes we have.
Okay.
So this is gonna have to be done around the edges and the toilet. That's gonna have to go all the way around, right?
Yep.
I guess we can use regular masking tape to go across the threshold. Want it across from the front here over. Let's see, we're getting all this grit in there. No matter how many times I vacuum or whatever, on the bottom of our shoes, you know. Alright, so you want to all get the paint ready if you'll try to do the masking tape across there. I'm just going to shake this up and we're going to go from there. So this is probably just giving the paint something to stick to, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, hot. You set the camera right in the one aisle where we're using.
Sorry.
I'll freaking trip over it. Like what?
Strong.
Like what?
Like paint thinner or,
Oh, really?
you know, something like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're fine. Get out. Now the corner is the hardest part to get into. I'll get all over it, cabin tile, everything else.
Does it seem to cover everything?
Yeah.
The second coat would be better, right?
Yeah, I just have to get those divots, but other than that, it's
Yeah.
covering pretty darn good.
No shots, isn't it?
I think so. I'm okay with imperfections myself.
Yeah, me too. I thought we would both be like that. What about that right there? In the light, see it right there? Wait for the second coat. Don't do it on the wall. That'll be alright. Might have to fix it. Nah, it's okay. Alright, I need to get it.
Okay, so after 2 coats of paint, you can see my husband has the door, baseboard, getting ready to put that stuff up. 2 coats of paint on the floor. It is not perfect, but that's okay. I kind of embrace the imperfections. You'll see what I ended up doing with the tile in that spot where the pipe was sticking out, which I think worked out just fine. It's behind the toilet anyway. Got the mirror up. Tile above the shower. So there you have it. Next step is to get the baseboards, the door, and the toilet put in. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when we do future videos. I appreciate you guys for stopping in and hanging out with me. And I hope I see you on the next one.